Hi guys. So I didn't introduce myself last time. My name is Leo. So there you go. Today we are gonna continue working on Niva, and we need to take out the last of the interior pieces, and then I really don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna find out. So let's get started. Just see there's a lot of work behind the camera to know where everything is going back, so but it's boring. Wiring is boring for you to watch, so I'm skipping this and doing off the camera. There are a lot of components that are connected to this firewall and wires and a lot of air conditioning, so we are going to take out this front hood and start working on the engine. That will be easier to work on everything else. And yeah, now this start to be a real project. We have some fun in first video, but now we need to be serious. Thank you guys for watching. We are now in the engine bay. We need to take out next time LPG, and we are going for the first time under the car. We are going to remove transfer case and transmission. So I need to buy some tools for that, and hopefully I'm gonna start on that soon. But for now, we are done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video, and see you next time.